Hello again. On this beautiful evening, you've joined me, and I want to just thank you for that. We are going to again talk about some nutrition issues. Uh, what I do is to make it understandable, whatever you may be reading in the credible publications or the scientific journals, or even just what your doctors told you need to do. I make it so that you can understand why you need to do what you need to do. Do you like my glasses? I think it's kind of cute myself. All right, so let's get right into it. What I like to do, because nutrition is such a broad topic, what I like to do is just use some of the issues or questions that I'm asked over and over again to try to teach just the principles of nutrition and what you need to understand in your journey to health. All right. So I'm going to look at one question that was put to me and see if we can, understand it a little by analyzing it. So this person said to me, "This is what I ate. I want to know if it's good." Well, first of all, I say foods are good. It's food. You eat food to live. So food is good, however you do it. But there are some considerations in eating the various foods. So he told me that he had a peanut butter sandwich with a banana between it. And the bread was whole wheat bread. So let's analyze that, because what we want to do is each time we eat, whether we call it a snack or whether we call it a meal, it's still putting food in your body, right? So what we're looking at here in trying to analyze this food item that he had is to look at food groups, because when we eat, no matter what we eat, when we eat, we ought to think in terms of the food groups, not to have just one or two food groups, but to eat from as many of the food groups as possible. You have your meat group, and in your meat group, of course, you will have, your meats, the ground red meat, your chicken, your fish, your uh, turkey. It's turkey time. But also you have your replacements, your plant food meat group, like your nuts and your beans and your peas and your seeds, all right? Uh, and then you have your starch, your grain group, which has all of these starches and staple foods. Just about every culture has them. You have, the Italians with their spaghetti, the Jamaicans with their dumpling and yam and banana, and Spanish with their yuca, of course. And, you have your flour, and these are your starches. Of course, you have your sugar also. And then you have your fruits and vegetable, another group. Another group is your dairy. It could be your milk, and in that milk group is ice cream and yogurt and even your soy milk and so forth. So, looking at what he said he ate, did he satisfy most of the food groups? I would say yes. You have the banana, which is a fruit. You have your bread, and the beautiful thing about the whole wheat bread is because it has fiber. If he had white bread, then there would be no fiber. Fiber is known to lower your cholesterol, your blood sugar, your blood pressure. So, it's a good thing, fiber. It's not only good for elimination, going to the bathroom. Okay. And what did I leave out? All right, your fruits and vegetables, which are there to give your bodies the vitamins and minerals it need to boost your immune system, all of that good thing. So he had the fiber, he had the grain, the bread, he had the peanut butter, which is your plant-based protein food. The peanut, okay, and then so it was a good whatever, whether you had it as a snack or as a meal. In terms of its adequacy is based on the other meals that he had, the overall daily intake. But we're not looking at calories right now. We're looking at really food groups. So he satisfied most of the food groups. All right. See you then.